In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open up an existing project file on GIMP. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab up at the top left, and then select Open. Alternatively, you can select the Control and O key combination on your keyboard as well in order to do that. And then navigate to your computer or file directory where your file is located on your list over here, and then select Open. And now we'll go about opening up the file directly in GIMP. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.